guys, how's it going? We are here with another simple craft. So in Summer Reading Club for the past couple years, we have made a very fun little toy that you can make just about anywhere. We make marshmallow shooters every year, and they're so much fun. You can play with them outside, you can play with them inside, just as long as you don't put anything real like heavy or hard inside, because that could really hurt somebody. But this is what you need. You need a paper cup, you need tape, scissors, and a balloon. That's it. That is literally it. So let's get cracking. So the first thing you're gonna do is take your scissors and carefully poke a hole inside of your cup. And then you're gonna get in there and we are going to snip out the bottom of the cup. So I've already kind of snipped mine already. I'm cheating a little bit. But it doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be see-through, right? See-through, so we can get things in and out of our cup. So once you've got your cup done, we're gonna set it down and we're going to grab our balloon. So you're gonna take your balloon and we're going to, no, we're not gonna blow it up. We are going to take the top end and our scissors and we are going to carefully make a little snip. So we are going to snip the end off of our balloon, right? Okay, once we get that done, we're going to take our balloon and our cup, and we are going to stretch your balloon over the base of your cup. So I suggest when you pick your balloons that you maybe choose a bigger one, just because a little balloon, you might have trouble stretching it. And also when you choose your cup, make sure that you choose a paper cup, because styrofoam cups just don't seem to hold up quite as well as the paper ones do. So there we go. We have got our balloon stretched over the edge of our cup. So just to make sure that that balloon stays, we're gonna take our tape and we're gonna rip a piece off. Might take a piece or two to get all the way around, and we're just gonna tape over the edge. So I did that on the one side and I'm going to do it again for you. So let's tape it up. All right, we're taped. Good, all right. Next step. The end of our balloon where we normally blow in, you are going to tie it. Whether you tie it or you get your mom or your grandma or whoever's helping you out, I'm gonna tie the end in this balloon. Okay, so there we go. We've got our knot. Now, you wanna see some stuff fly? I have a couple of pom-poms because I didn't have any marshmallows with me at the library today. We must have snacked on them too much. And I have a grape. Why? Because these things are soft and they will not poke somebody's eye out. So let's see if our stuff will fly. So first one, we have a red pom-pom. Red pom-poms work. Let's see if blue pom-poms work. Blue's in the hatch. Blue totally works. All right, last but not least, the grape. Now, if you're gonna be shooting fruit, maybe do it outside because your mom might be a little grouchy if you've got grape jelly all over the walls in your house now, but totally fun. There goes the grape. Oh, grape did not go quite as far, but you can make these at home, have lots of fun. Marshmallows really do fly. You can do them inside, you can do them outside. If you do them inside, you might even be able to eat them after you pick them off the floor. Yeah, depends how your 5-second rules go. Hope you like the video. Hope you make yourself some marshmallow shooters and have some fun. All right, we'll see you soon, guys. Bye.